Hello! Good afternoon again. So, ayan, i-unbox na natin to guys, yung kinuha natin kanina sa mailbox. So, again, these are hair treatments that we ordered from Facebook. Are you excited? Let's unbox it now. So, let's unbox it now, guys. Excited. Sorry guys, may kasi may sa labas nagtrabaho. So, nai-distract ako. Short distract. Okay na, tama na yan. Open na natin to. There you go. Thank you so much, Miss Cortez. I got it now. So, here you go. So, these are the Brazilian hair Botox. And then this one is for it's the Carabant Collagen. So, yep. Thank you so much, Miss Cortez. I got them. And yeah, no, tawag ito? Walang damage. English pa more. So, ayan. These treatments, guys, they are from the Philippines because it's not available here in the US. It's not available sa Amazon. Mayroon naman mga hair treatment sa Amazon which is from the Philippines, pero yung ganitong Brazilian hair broth itong ganitong Brazilian hair botox wala siya yung katulad sa Amazon. So yeah. So sa ano na lang ako nag-order sa Facebook kasi meron namang Filipino seller na nandito sa South Carolina. So this is where I got it. That's where I got it. Ayan, English pa. So sa mga gusto pong magpa hair Brazilian and then magpa-reband and hair color, just let me know po kasi hinintay ko na lang yung mga accessories ko na panggamit sa pagtrabaho, yung mga MR mo route, keme route, ganun. Yun, hinihintay ko na lang yun. So, sana dumating na next week. So, meron na ako isang client, may Ate Rachel. So, ayan, guys, hindi ko naman mamahalin yung presyo. Hindi ko naman mamahalin ng sobra yung presyo. Yung enough lang na ma-afford nyo kasi I know yung mga salon dito is super mahal. And, yun. I will help you guys. Don't worry. By the way, hindi pa po ako nag-accept ng pag-highlights. So, hindi ko pa yun napag-aralan. So, bali, ano pa lang doon pa lang tayo sa pang-hair treatments, reband, and then hair coloring. Except lang sa pag-highlights. Pero, wala. Yun na yun. Ano pa ba? So far yun lang, guys. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching and please share. Pero, kung ayaw nyo po, okay lang. And give me a heart and send me star if you have some stars to give, please. Hindi, char lang. Ayun. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo lagi.